Hey guys, and welcome back to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts, and welcome back to another swap reveal. This was the jumbo tag swap that I hosted over on Coffee Cake and Crafting on Facebook, and we are doing things backwards. So yesterday's video was group 4, and so today we are going to do group 3, which is also the pastel group. So if you missed out on group 4, I'll have that link down below for you in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. So kicking us off for group 3 is Caroline Parry. I am not sure she has any social media. That's one of the things with, the Facebook group and doing swaps. Like, a lot of these people don't have the social media to participate in things, so they have a home to do that. But I don't see anything on the packaging as far as if she does have it. Maybe there's some on the inside. I'm not sure. This is, I want to assume, a goodie bag. And here is the pocket. So I'm going ahead and kind of give you the glimpse here of what she has on the outside. When it comes to group swaps of these magnitudes, not that it's a requirement to make me one, but if you don't make me one, I don't open your swap because I don't want to mess anything up. So, but we can at least see what her pocket looks like, which is super cute. You guys know I love my pink. She has this fun little like scallopy, zigzaggy type trim going around the edge here. And then she also used the snowball trim to create a shaker. She has this cool snowflake, the ornament in the background, and a gold glitter snowflake on top of that. And it says Season's Greetings. Here we have this ginormous snowflake rosette with layered snowflakes and the little foam balls. And then there's also fun tassel of different various colors of the blues, golds, purples, and pinks going on there. She also has some bells. So guys, when you receive this in your swap package, this comes from Caroline. So next up we have Patricia, and she is Anchored in Crafts here on YouTube. And this is how her swap comes. I was going to open it up because I thought like it was just like wrapped in the bubble wrap. But I think it was like attached. And I accidentally like ripped off a little bit of the tissue paper on Becky's. So Becky Boo, I'm sorry, but we're friends and she understands. And she does have them personalized with these cute little tassels. So she has Becky's there. And then Caroline's is right there. And we are going to take a closer look because she made one. So this is the one that Trisha made for me, and her cute little card says "'Tis the Season" on there. And so she did a name tassel for me as well. Super sweet. I love things with my name on it because you're not going to find Brittany spelled this way in the store. And then she added those cute little snowflake beads, and then she did a yarn tassel with such fun pastel colors, and then she added the red in there. Has a cute little bow. Love this ribbon that she used here. And then it also has a lobster clasp. So thank you so much, sweetie. And let's dig in. Oh my gosh, look how happy this is. I love it. So it says, well, first off, she has the pink pom-pom trim. Then she has one of those snowflake ornaments. Did some ruffling with crepe paper, and then also some paper ruffling in the back there. She has a cute little bottle cap embellishment piece here with the snowflakes on the bottom. Has a tag here with the ornaments, and then a flower cluster, and it says "Let It Snow." She did a glitter backing, and then here is the back with the really pretty poinsettia flowers. And then again, she is Anchored in Crafts here on YouTube, but she is also Wannabe Mermaid. You guys probably, she participates in like all my swaps. So I usually say Wannabe Mermaid. I gave you guys that info, but throwing out that Anchored in Crafts there on YouTube. So first off, what is this? OMG. Oh, it's a strawberry lollipop. For cute. I don't want to open it. It's taped up and stuff. Oh no, that is so super cute. I'm gonna put that in my son's stocking. I don't do lollipops, but I just think this container is the absolute cutest. Love that. Thank you so, so much. And then I'm just going to start pulling things out, and we are going to get on. So here is a closer look at her pocket. And I don't think I mentioned it in the video yesterday, but they were to use like some heavyweight like chipboard or heavyweight cardstock layered a few times, or like cereal boxes or something like that, to create a stable base for their pocket. And then she's also gifted this cute little Christmas tree. It is a Hershey bar. I love when y'all gift candy because, man, I love me some candy. And delicious. Thank you. All right. So, oh, and a cute little pen. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So much fun stuff going on. I don't know where to begin. She's also done some little butterflies, some cute little stapled butterflies. And they're layered up, so you just, all you do is just fluff up the wings so you can get like little layered pieces there. So super cute. Thank you so much. Yeah, no, it got me a thing for butterflies. All right, so we're gonna start over here. Ooh, and a candy cane. Ooh, yum. Look at all the sweet treats. I love it. All right, so this one is her clips, I want to say. Oh, how adorable. It says season greetings. And then this one has like one of those hairpin clips. Creative. And she added the bow to that. Super cute. And then here she did a clothespin. And she added a little, oops. She added some trim there and the little mini rosette and a snowflake on the top. Adorable. And then here, I want to say is maybe just kind of an extra, maybe, or could it be her embellishment? I don't know. I mean, you guys will be just as surprised as me. I mean, but we do have a fishtail banner embellishment on a paper clip, the cute little wooden ornament. We have a flat back heart. We have some snowball mesh there. So cute. And then here we have her embellishments, maybe. Could this be another embellishment or a goodie? I don't know, but we're just gonna play with it. She did one of the cute little safety pin embellishments here, and she has the stars on the end and it says joy. And then here we have a scallop circle on the back, the snowflake, and a little flare piece with some eyelash trim, and it says peace on earth. Cute. And then here I think is a extra little embellishment here. We have some paper ruffling going on with the crepe paper, and then we have some paper ruffles. We have a whole bunch of happiness that she stitched all the way around the edge, so I'm not gonna open it. And she has the fa la la shaker sticker here from Merry Days. She also added some white pom-pom trim. She has some gold eyelash trim, and it says believe in the magic of Christmas. And then look at all those happy sequins in there. Love it. So cute. And then here is her shaped tag, and she has 2 in love on the background. Oh, adorbs. And then here is Santa's naughty or nice list. Ooh, which one are you on, Trish? Just saying. And then she has the eyelash trim as her hanging element. This is so cute. I really like this. Adorable. I do. And she also did some distressing. Really cute. Love it. Haven't seen anyone do that. Super cute. And then for her bows, I like how she used the little Scrabble letters here to spell out bows, and then she has a bow at the top there, and then did some stitching on the paper ruffle. She did this super cute little reindeer bow. Oh, I love it. She has the cute little eyelashes that she did out of vinyl, and then added a pom-pom nose, and then she has a snowflake and these cute little beads and hashies dangling off the antlers. So cute. And then this one here, she did some faux leather. She has this cute, look how cute that is. The little Santa on there. Love it. And then we have the glitter faux leather here. She added a peppermint in the center, and then a cute little snowflake dangling from the bottom. How adorable. Absolutely loved it. Thank you so much, Patricia, for participating. Again, guys, she is And last but oh so certainly not least, we have my girl Becky, and she is Becky Baker here on YouTube, but she also changed up her name over on the gram, and she is B Baker Craft Maker or something like that. Did I mess that up? I know it rhymed. I know it was cute, but I may have messed that up. Either way, down below in the description for you. And she doesn't usually do pastel Christmas, and so she is very proud of herself. I'm very proud of her, and this is how her swap comes. Look at all this gorgeous pinkness. I cannot. And she does have them personalized with a little note, and we're gonna look a little bit closer, guys, because this is how Becky's comes. And I just want to show her cute card. Love it. And designed by Becky Baker, and so stinking cute. Look at oh my gosh, she did. I can't. She did one of those the hats, you know, like when you use with the toilet paper rolls, and she used the Chanel yarn. It added a little bell with a little flat back here, and then she like stuffed it in there and made it as part of her dangle. Oh my goodness, I cannot. And then she's added some fun trim and lace on the back here with the icicles. It says Merry Christmas. She did some paper tearing, and then she added some foam flowers at the bottom. And then here is the front with her pocket. It says wishing you all the joy of the season. This is that can't remember what it's called. I did have it though. Hot buy from Michael's. And then there's the inside there, and then she's included a fun little bookmark. How cute, the snowflakes in the background. And she has like the pink gold and like the white iridescence in there. So cute. I love it. Definitely gonna use that. And she's also included a lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, lolly, lolly. All right, she says, what, you giving me instructions, Becky? It says white set equals 1 embellishment, and then pink set equals 1 embellishment. All right, all right. Well, okay then. That's what we gonna do, fan. You're funny. She's such a clown. But she did. Oh, look at these gorgeous little flowers. These are so pretty. I love it. And she's added the pink flat backs in the center of the white ones, and then the gold and the pearl and the pink ones. And then she's also did some glittering on the edges of the petals. So stinking cute. I love it. I don't have the patience to do flowers. That's why I buy them. They're so pretty. Thank you, thank you. And then we have her paper clips. And then she has the little Santa paper there. Look at how cute these are. So she did the little paper clips. And she has the chunky ones. I can never find the color ones. Oh, I want them. Not fair. But she did the tulle bows, and then she has a little dangle coming down from them. These are so adorable. And then she has the cream color one with the little, oh my gosh, I love these. These are so stinking cute. I love it. Love it. How adorable. Love those. And then here we have her bows. So cute. We have this one here with the Alina Cuddle bow. She did the paper, but then she stepped it up a notch and did faux leather layering on the top. I see you. I see you. I noticed. And then she has the gold centerpiece there. And then this one, she has the big giant bow. What is this called? I think this is the pink and mane one. And then she has another bow layered on top there. And then she has the little fancy pearl flat back for her center. And then last but not least, we have her tag. She's super cute. I have this die and I still haven't used it yet. But this girl got some layers upon layers. She has her to from. She used the eyelash trim as her hanging element. With the little pom-pom in the center. It says Merry Christmas. We got Santa poking through. You guys can see behind that vellum piece, and then we have the golds, pinks, and white sequins Oh, so cute. You did a wonderful job with doing pastel because this is really out of her comfort zone, but I'm very proud of what you did. So again, guys, go check out Becky at Becky Baker. And then while you're at that, make sure you check out Patricia at Anchored in Crafts, and then also Caroline Parry. Thank you so much for viewing Group 3, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for Group 2. Bye!